Good morning, class 7. Welcome all of you in this special class. This is chapter rational numbers. I have explained the sum and difference of rational numbers. How rational numbers are added and how rational numbers are subtracted. Today we have to learn multiplication and division of rational numbers. Before coming to the exercise 4C today, you have to learn all these terms. Product of two rational numbers is equal to product of numerators and product of denominators. Suppose 3 by 5 and you have to multiply by 4 by 7. These two rational numbers, you multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator, and you will get the product. And if these numbers and numerators and denominators are cancelled, you will try to write in the lowest term. So 12 by 35, this is the product of two rational numbers. The first rule is product of rational numbers, two rational numbers. You multiply all the numerators and you multiply all the denominators. That will be the product of two rational numbers. Now you see reciprocal. What is reciprocal? If a number x is multiplied with number y, two numbers, x into y or y into x, and if the product is 1, so each number is called reciprocal of each other. This reciprocal is also known as multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal of a number called multiplicative inverse. Suppose 5 by 8, and if you multiply by 8 by 5, what will be the product? So 8 will be cancelled, 5 cancelled, 1 by 1, this is 1. The product is 1, so it means 5 by 8 is a reciprocal of 8 by 5. Or 8 by 5 is a reciprocal of 5 by 8. So this is the meaning of reciprocal. So if two numbers are multiplied and if the product is 1, the numbers are called reciprocal of each other. Understand? Now you see, so this reciprocal is also called multiplicative inverse. One memorable point here, 8 point जो याद करना है, 0 has no reciprocal. What is the reason, sir? Because no number is such that if you multiply to 0, you cannot get 1. So this is the property of 0. 0 is multiplied to any number. 0 को किसी भी नंबर से multiply करते हैं, the product is always 0. So no possibility of getting 1. So 0 has no reciprocal. You should remember all these points. Now you see terminating or non-terminating decimal. Suppose 3 by 2, this is a rational number, and you can change into decimal. How will you change? We divide numerator by denominator. You divide 3 by 2 and division you know very well. You can put 0, here will be a point. 2, 5, just that. Remainder is 0. So you can say 1.5, this is the terminating decimal. The terminating decimal is that in the division process, the remainder becomes 0. And if remainder is not 0, if you continue dividing, I explained with the example. Now you see. 2 by 7, suppose a fraction, you convert into decimal, you divide 2 by 7. One thing here you should remember, it is not necessary numerator should be greater or than denominator. Maybe a smaller, maybe greater. 2 is divided by 7, no divisible, so you put 0, here will be a point. 7 to the 14, this will be 6, 0, 7 and the 56, this will be 4, 7 5 the 35, you will get 5, you put 0, 7 7 the 49, you will get 1, you put 0, 7 and the 7, you will get 3, you put 0, 7 4 the 28, you will get 2. Now you here you see 2 again, you will put 0, so that will be repeated. So this decimal 0.285714. We are not getting remainder. If we continue this division process, you will not get 0, and therefore it is called non-terminating decimal. समझ गए? तो क्या आपने सीखा? How will you find the product of two rational numbers? What is the reciprocal? What is multiplicative inverse? And 0 has no reciprocal. And terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. Now you see a few examples, few questions of your exercise, and I am sure you will solve the questions of your exercise. Now you see page number 73, exercise 4C. Exercise 4C. I solved a few questions. You see, first, multiply. You have to multiply. Rational numbers are 4 by 9. You multiply by 5 by 7. So as I have explained to you, 4 into 5, numerator into numerator, and denominator into denominator. You will get 20 by 63. These numbers have no common denominator, common factor. So this is the answer. This is the multiplication. Now you see, suppose second का first देखिए, multiply by minus 9 by 16 into 60. One thing, if the numbers are cancelled, numerator and denominator, or you can cancel the numbers cross. So these two numbers are divisible by 2, this will be divisible by 2, and this will be divisible by 2. Again, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. Now you see, now divisible now, minus 9 into 15 upon 4. 15 is 135, and minus plus minus, I have explained the rule of sign. So 1 minus 135 by 4. So this is the multiplication. Now you see, how will you divide? Divide को देखिए कैसे हम डिवाइड करते हैं. तो डिवाइड में एक क्वेश्चन को देख लीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. 1 डिवाइड करो 1 को 1 by 8 से. This is a question. You write 1 divided by 1. Here, in case of division, we convert this sign minus into product, and this number, this rational number, reciprocal of this. So 1 into, what is the reciprocal of 1 by 8? 8 by 1. And now you follow the process in the case of multiplication. So it will be 1 into 8, and here will be 1. 8 by 1. If denominator is 1, you can neglect this denominator, so 8 will be the answer. This is in case of division. So now you see one more question, question number 5. Minus 5 by 6 divided by 1 by minus 2. Now you see minus 5 by 6 and the reciprocal of this minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 1 minus, so this will be cancelled 1 and this will be 3 minus 5 into minus 1 upon 3 5 into 1 5 minus into minus plus 5 by 3. So this is the division and I have explained it. So you will change, you will solve the questions and I am sure you will try to solve and you will solve almost every question. Now one question of decimal, how will you change the decimal? Express in 3 places of decimal. Suppose 5 by 4, you have to change into decimal. How do you change? इसको हम क्या करेंगे? Numerator is divided by denominator. So this will be divisor and this will be dividend. 1 ja 1. Now you put 0 and here will be decimal point. 4 to 8. Remember 2, you put 0, 4 5 20. Now you are getting which kind of decimal? It is a terminating decimal. So what is the decimal representation of 5 by 4? This will be 1.24. So my dear, you have learned how will you find the product of given rational numbers and what is the reciprocal, what is the multiplicative inverse, and how will you convert rational numbers in the decimal. This decimal may be terminating and may be non-terminating. So these are the important points you have to learn and you will try to solve this question. So I want to wrap up this topic. Product of two rational numbers. You multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. And that will be the answer. But here one thing you should see, whether numerators and denominators are cancelled, you should write always you should write in the smallest term, lowest term. And reciprocal, if the product of two numbers is 1, दो नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट यदि 1 है तो ईच नंबर को एक दूसरे का रेसिप्रोकल कहते हैं. 5, what is the reciprocal of 5? 1 by 5. And this means if you multiply 5 1 by 5 you will get 1. So 5 is the reciprocal of 1 by 5 or 1 by 5 is the reciprocal of 5. And the reciprocal of a number is number itself. यानी 5 का रेसिप्रोकल कितना 1 by 5. इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या आ जाएगा 5 by 1. तो देख रहे हैं कि रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ए नंबर इज नंबर itself. So this is a reciprocal. It is also called multiplicative inverse. And terminating and non-terminating decimal I have explained. You divide numerator by denominator and it will be either terminating. Terminating means remainder is 0. This will be terminating decimal. And if 0 is not obtained, if you continue dividing, so that will be called non-terminating decimal. That's all for today. And you will try to solve exercise 4C. And if you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you and have a nice day.